Oh yeah, and after 5 episodes, the track is finally done. Look at here, all color coordinated and proper groups and everything. And you obviously know what this means judging from the title. It is time to download the project. And in order to run this project file without any hiccups, you will need the following 3 things. Latest version of Ableton 12 Suite, latest version of Serum, and the latest version of Massive. And then once you have all those, it should be good to go. So like I say with all these project files, have fun with it, dive in, remix it, rearrange it, chop it up, take some leads from it, take some synths, take the samples from it using your own productions. Learn as much as you can from it. The only thing I do not want is people taking the entire track, rendering it, and uploading it as their own and saying it's theirs. No, don't do that. If anybody does that, because it has happened in the past, I'll just take down the project file. But enough doom and gloom. Project file and streaming links will be in the description. And I do make sample packs, so if you do want to support the channel, that link will also be in the description. I'm pretty sure I use one of my packs a lot in this track, and there's Cobalt drums, if you wanted to check that out. But in the meantime, let's play this track start to finish. Thanks everybody for watching this series. Next one I drop will be drum and bass. Don't know exactly when, but stay tuned so you don't miss it. Here's the final track. See ya.